Good morning everyone. How are you? I think you are feeling good. Today is Makar Sankranti, the festival of India. Today, first of all, I would like to say Happy Makar Sankranti, that is called Khichdi in UP. Today, people of India take a bath in a holy river like Ganga, Yamuna, and what is that, Gangotri. Those who have not a time, they take a bath in our house and touch the grains and pray to sun god for good crop. That is why I also take a bath and touch the grains and pray to God for my good life and for my family, and donate them some food to the poor people who were coming to my home. I want to share you something special. You should choose your own goal. What you want to do. While choosing our your goal, we also learn speaking English, because without speaking English, your communication is not leave impact to the other people. That is why you should learn speaking English for international communication and carry your words to other. Because without carrying your words to other, how can you left impact to other? That is why it's very crucial to learn. Read daily books, learn something special who is usual, who is useful for you, and implement your life. Implement in your life. Do consistent this practice. Without practicing, you cannot. Practice makes you perfect. That is why I always said, implement. What have you learned? You should implement in your personal life. Without implementing, you cannot feel the changing of your life. What is the meaning of reading? If you not implement in your life, if you not applied in your life, reading book or learning something, it's not learn and keep. It's not for learn and keep. You should implement in little space. I always hesitated to speak English with front of the people, but today I can fluently speak with anyone because my practice. I learned how to speak in English in 2019, but I have not confident that day. I have not confidence to speak with other people. but initially I practice day by day with my mobile, with internet, with Facebook, with YouTube, while watching movie, while working work. Today I can speak English with front of anyone. I have not any hesitation in my mind, in my mouth. That is why I am forced to you. You should also speak English, make a practice, implement your life, in your life, and make perfect your life. Your first responsibility, if you grown up, you should mend your economical growth. After that, if you have some money, then you should make a habit of investing some money for your future. Small money for a long time. After that, you should mend your condition of your house. Which kind of condition I am talking? Economical condition. Without economical condition, if your economical condition is not good, then how can you do another things? Because if you want to do something, you want some money. If you have not money, you cannot do anything with only your talent. That is why you should take a time and earn some money. While working money, you can read, you can learn, and what you have learned, you can implement in individual life. Don't follow others. If you want to learn something, you have a lot of source these days. You have ChatGPT and search for anything. Any kind of things you want to search, you search and see and read, then implement. Suppose that you want to buy a book. It's not necessary these days a book, because everything in your mobile. If you want to buy a good microphone, then you should go to ChatGPT and open it. I should not recommend it to YouTube, because when you open a YouTube and search for good camera, then lots of video has come and you select one of these. After selecting, ads irritating you. Ads makes you irritated. That is why it's my personal choice. If you want to search something, go to ChatGPT. I personally used and open it and search for good microphone under 2000 or 3000, then you can get your information. Go and you also get a link of the product, click on that link and you can buy easily your best product. Purchasing a good product, before you should read the review of the people who were purchased already from you.